Hey there everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be taking a look at a little project I've been cooking up recently. It's a full band cover of the song Tumblin' Dice by the Rolling Stones. So I want to show you guys a little bit of the process that I've gone through of recording, editing, playing on, and mixing this song. And hopefully I can teach you guys a little bit of what goes on behind the scenes of these songs and recording and mixing techniques. So let's start from the start. First thing you need are musicians. If you want to be so bold, you can be all the musicians yourself. However, I can't play 5 instruments at the same time, and I definitely can't hit those notes that Jagger does. So I called in the help of a couple of my friends in exchange for playing on their projects as well. Cool, step 1 down. So next thing that we are going to need is to start off with tracking the song. I could go into all the, extremely important pre-production stuff, but that might take half an hour, and I'm trying to keep this video under 2 minutes. I didn't actually keep it under 2 minutes. But it's important to set up your Pro Tools session and do all the documentation before you get into the studio. Alright, like I said, now we're moving on to tracking. So tracking is a super important step. It's once you break out all of the nice mics and everyone plays together, and it creates a really nice base for you to work with. So for this project, I got to have my roommate Daniel Williams on bass, Bella Weaver on drums, Cooper Denning on vocals, Aaron Young on guitar, and AJ Jordan on piano. And honestly, they all just did awesome. So after tracking, you want to edit your mix a little bit, take the best parts of each take that you have and create a rough mix of your song. This first editing task is super important because it basically serves as the underlying base for the rest of your project. Next comes overdubs. Overdubs are really cool. You get either the same musicians you want, or if you want different musicians, basically just have them come in and play additional stuff over top of the track. You think that it might be missing from the original. Awesome. So here we are in the studio, REM Studio B, and this right here is a digital console board made by Avid. It connects with Pro Tools here. Now one thing it really helps with is, so for example, if I want to make an adjustment or something, like let's take this guitar solo here. So I start with this lead guitar here, that's doing that main solo, and as it does this, I want to fade this out and fade that in. So you see that? And that just really helps me be able to do that sort of thing. Hey there everybody, sorry for the quick abrupt transition, but here we are in REM Studio A. This is where my tracking took place. Over there is the studio where all the musicians played. Over here on the left we have the Neve VR, which all the mixing took place. And over here on the right we have all of our analog signal processing gear. Here's a pan shot of the Neve VR. I know at this point the video is a little bit longer than I intended, but I thought we could just sit back and look at real nice pretty pictures of the board. Awesome. So here we are, back in my room. You guys were in Belmont's REM Studio A and B. You guys got to look at the digital board and the analog board, the Neve VR. You guys got to look at a little bit of analog plugins and sort of that. And hopefully you guys got to see a little bit of behind the scenes and maybe learn a few things. Or at least hopefully I kept you entertained. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.